happened?
We can't leave the mall.
Went outside. I need to want to make 15.
Okay, yeah, and then we'll have a nice number.
Whoa! Can I take one outside?
Can you take one outside? Let's check with Daddy. Let's see what he says. He just opened this for you? It's a whole parking garage.
Yeah.
Which one? What did you find?
Does all have 6 enough?
Hmm?
We just all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16 of them. I just want to get all 20 of them. But,
I think you definitely have 20. Maybe they're in the living room.
let's go check.
Okay, go check.
Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. So we are at the Nordstrom at the Grove and we're gonna shop the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time bringing my baby girl. She is shopping the sale with me. I really just probably am gonna be buying beauty. I don't really need any shoes. I don't really need any clothing. My kids always need clothing. I'll probably look in the clothing section for them, but that's about it. Just like last year, I showed up to the Nordstrom anniversary sale needing to buy beauty to use right now. I just ran out of the house and I actually need some beauty items right now. Let's just apply lip gloss and some hand moisturizer right now, speaking of beauty, because I ran out of the house without really taking care of myself. The Dime Beauty Dewy Day Cream. We have the Clarins Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. I have 3 small children. Everyone knows when you have multiple small children, you really just do what you can to get yourself some self-care before you have to run errands outside of the house. It's kind of crazy how in the summer I have dry skin behind my eyebrows. Like, how does that even happen? Mommy, are you back there clapping your hands? Always put the excess on the drier points of the body, always. Getting out of the car with one baby is hard enough. Imagine 3, but today I only had 1. You got to do the sunscreen. You got to make sure you fill up the backpack and bring the clothes with you because you will need them if the baby has a blowout. It's a lot, and I've got to put the backpack, the diaper bag, the purse somewhere. I love this little clip that goes onto the stroller. I use it for shopping all the time. Obviously, we brought the diaper bag for a reason, right? We've got to change the diaper. Otherwise, you have to deal with smelling a dirty one while you shop. And also, like, other customers at the store noticing that the dirty diaper needs to be changed. So we're going to do that right away, whether it's clean or dirty, because you just want to have a clean diaper, clean, dry diaper on the baby. Then also, I'm going to take some time to breastfeed. And this does take extra time. I make sure to bring this shield. It's just, you know, a gray cloth that can go either over the stroller while they're sleeping so they have some darkness and privacy while they're sleeping while you're out, or you can use it to help cover you while you breastfeed, which is what I did. And then we were able to go out and shop the sales. Look at Kenya. Look at that baby girl. I know I said I was only coming for beauty, but I couldn't resist looking at the clothing sales, honestly. I need more white shirts, short sleeve, long sleeve, tank tops. I need sweaters. I need more white stuff. This is cute. Fortunately, they don't have his size. He's at least a size 3 right now, but yeah, I'm not gonna buy a 2 and then he's not gonna be able to wear it in a while. I'm thinking about buying this jacket. Oh, now you're thirsty. What? I tried to give you some after we breastfed and you laughed at me. You were like, ha ha ha. Do you remember? You laughed at mommy. You giggled. You snickered. It's you. It's Kenya. We really like Veronica Beard. We made it to our section. Okay, so we all know I really enjoy Veronica Beard. I mean, oh, it's so pretty. Hello?
What happened?
We can't leave the mall because I can't get the stroller in.
What do you mean?
That's all. I literally just, I can't get the stroller in.
You can't lift it?
Like it won't, I can't get it to snap.
Oh, to snap?
Yeah.
Sometimes what helps if you like pull the base a little bit towards you so it doesn't really rub up against Blaze's car seat. That helps to help it fall into that space.
I'm sweating. I can't leave the mall. Okay. Yeah, like I tried that and it didn't work, but I'm trying it again.
It's a little harder to get in there than used to.
Like, I'm knocking all the stuff off of everything. I've been doing this for like 20 minutes. Sorry, Bobby. I know, baby girl. Okay, we're gonna get you in here, okay? Poor baby. I know, sweetie. I know. You're tired of the roller coaster. I know. I'm sorry. Just put her in Blaze's car seat.
Or you can do that too. You want to do that too. That'll help work as well.
So her car seat's not cooperating with the base. I think I'm gonna put her in the other car seat. I buckled the car seat to the other seatbelt because it's gonna move. If the car gets bumped, you know, this car seat will move. And I just don't want it hitting her. So I buckled it over there to that one. Yeah, it's nice that I took my daughter to her first Nordstrom anniversary sale because we're gonna be going together for many years to come, but like I sort of feel like I failed because I'm not gonna be able to be on time to take my son to his extracurricular activity because like now we're late. I literally spent probably almost a half hour here doing this and now my son's gonna miss his extracurricular activity and I hate that. It's like when you have multiple kids, sometimes like one kid, you know, their needs are just taken care of, and then not that she needed to go to the Nordstrom anniversary sale, you guys know what I mean, but one of their needs are taken care of and then the others isn't. And I can't beat myself up over it because that would just be, it's pointless, you know. I need to just start the car and drive away. That's what I'm gonna do. So we are back from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, my girl and I. We've got all the kids home and it's time for dinner. What's that noise? Oh no, the phantom toy. I don't see the off button, I'm not even kidding. I don't even know where this came from. That is scary. In the middle of the night, like I come and I clean my kitchen, like in the middle of the night, and the toys will start like talking and stuff, like, but it's dark in the house. It's kind of spooky. You get the picture. It's mac and cheese, salmon, and avocado. Then for dessert, we'll have like probably apples or oranges. My kids actually really like fruit for dessert. I will give you a haul on another day. I cannot guarantee I'm gonna film anything after this, not tonight at least, but maybe on a different day. Love you.